Mr. Gamaguchi, how do you plead to charges of criminal noncompliance in regards to your child support payments?
My client pleads no contest, Your Honor.
Good. Now, after careful deliberation, I have decided that you must pay all back child support. If said child support is not paid within 48 months, you will face 5 years jail time.
I accept that, Your Honor.
Good. In addition, I sentence you, pursuant to New York Legal Code 249B, to a reversible, non-permanent vasectomy to be reversed after full payment of debts.
Your Honor, that is outrageous.
You can't steal my baby highway in half. Can she do that?
I'm afraid so. 249B allows a judge to impose vasectomies on offenders so that they can't have more children until they can support the ones they already have. But, Your Honor, that was not part of the plea bargain.
Plea bargain, schmee bargain. I'm Judge Janice Dredd. When I say goes, I'm an empowered woman. I wear shoulder pads. And you would do well to remember that, Mr. Claridge. Get this deadbeat out of here.
Judge Janice, the state just passed that vasectomy law last week, and I don't think it's appropriate for you to use my client as a guinea pig.
Mr. Claridge, Rule 249B was invented especially for people like your client. Now, I don't give out something as serious as a vasectomy for every criminal I meet. End of discussion. Rodney, can you send in the next defendant, please?
Patrick O'Flannery, age 35. One prior misdemeanor, age 16. Public intoxication.
Well, Mr. O'Flannery, I hope that you understand that in my courtroom, the only one who is intoxicated is me. On justice. Now, you stand accused of the $1,500 in unpaid parking tickets. How do you plead?
You plead no contest.
No contest, Your Honor. Can I just write a check me down here?
Not so fast, Mr. O'Flannery. It's very clear to me that you need to learn some respect for our municipal vehicular codes. So, in addition to your fine, I'm going to suspend your license and, pursuant to New York Legal Code 249B, I sentence you to a vasectomy.
Your Honor, 249B doesn't allow you to sentence defendants to vasectomies over parking violations?
It's called original intent, Mr. Claridge. Who knows what the founding fathers meant when they signed 249B into law all those centuries ago?
They passed that law last Tuesday.
I don't care if they passed it last Friday. I am Judge Janice Dredd. What I say goes. I'm an empowered woman. I'm changing to sneakers when heels make my feet hurt. Vasectomy stands.
She can't do this. Your Honor, I will see you disbarred for this.
You can't disbar me. I am the bar. Rodney, get this guy out of here.
No!
Mr. Claridge, approach the bench.
Judge Janice.
Shut up and listen, Claridge. It is not up to the lawyer to decide the law. It is up to the judge. Now, my ruling may have been a bit harsh, but if a vasectomy doesn't teach him to feed the meter, then nothing will.
But Judge Janice.
And one more outburst from you, and I will hold you in contempt. Do you understand me?
Yes, Judge Janice.
Good. Rodney, send in the next defendant, please.
Age 28. One prior misdemeanor, age 21. Defecating into a mailbox.
I hope that you understand that in my courtroom, the only one who defecates into a mailbox is justice. Now, you stand accused of the crime of the misrepresentation of the weight of commercial livestock. How do you plead?
Say no contest.
No contest. Now, the maximum fine I can impose here is $50, but the way I see it, most of society's problems stem from the misrepresentation of the weight of commercial livestock. Therefore, I am assessing you the maximum fine, and, pursuant to New York Legal Code 249B, I sentence you to a vasectomy. What? Is she kidding?
Your Honor, you cannot sentence my client to a vasectomy.
I am Judge Janice Dredd. When I say goes, I am an opponent. To a vasectomy, then I will sentence her to a vasectomy.
You can't sentence her to a vasectomy.
Why not?
Because there's nothing there to vasect.
That is it, Mr. Claridge. I'm holding you in contempt of this court and, pursuant to New York Legal Code 249B, I sentence you to a vasectomy.
You can't do that.
Anyone who interrupts me will be held in contempt of this court. Anyone who is held in contempt of this court will be sentenced to a
take a short recess, Your Honor.
Vasectomy.
Do any of you guys know where the bathroom is?
Vasectomy.
This is grossly unconstitutional. I am sick and tired of you judges thinking you can interpret the law however you see fit.
How dare you question my knowledge of the law? I sentenced you to a hysterectomy in addition to your vasectomy.
You can't sentence the same person about the hysterectomy and a vasectomy. Do you even know what a vasectomy is? Wait a minute. Do you even know what a vasectomy is?
Of course I do. It stops deadbeat dads from having more kids.
Oh, really? How?
Oh God. Look here, Miss Long. It says you were innocent all along. You can be free to go now. Go to jail. You got me up.
I'm Roy Claridge, and I get results.
All the law offices of Claridge & Smith for all your legal needs. Claridge & Smith, the finest vasectomy lawyers in the Scranton metro area. That's Claridge & Smith. No matter what your crime is, we'll get you off.